Hi, welcome to Miracle Web 3 TV. Today, I will show you how to start a faceless YouTube channel. No face, no camera or crew needed. If you are ready to earn anonymously online, stick around to the end, hit that subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Let's dive in. Alright, Faceless YouTube channel is a channel that you don't need to show your face. Everything is done anonymously, okay? And some of these channels are relationship, motivation, history, or pet history, okay? Just telling stories and all that. So if you don't have channel name idea, all you just have to go is to go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT you will just type your niche, okay? You need niche, and niche is what you love doing. So when you type this, what I type here is suggest a channel name for me on relationship, okay? So when you type it there, any niche you want to use, maybe motivation or anything, you just type it there. That ChatGPT should suggest a name for you, and you press enter. So when you press enter, it will bring out different names for you. So as you can see it now, that it is listing different names. So you can just copy one out of it and go and use it for your name. So we are going to pick one and use it for the channel that we want to create, okay? So this is the first thing you will need to do. So when you are done with the name, when you have the name, you can now proceed to go and create your channel. So guys, let us go.
So the requirement to open a Faceless YouTube account is just your Gmail. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to have a Gmail account. You can see that I've already logged into this account, and you will click on this place. So when you click here, you click on YouTube. Click on YouTube. You can also go to YouTube directly if you are using your mobile phone. You can just go to YouTube directly, or you download the app if it's not on your phone. So far you have logged in your Gmail account, you automatically have access to it. Okay. Alright, so the next thing to do is to click on, you can see this place, just click on this Z, depending on what you have on your own. Now you will see create a channel. Create a channel. So you just click on create a channel. Okay, and it will direct you to this place. Now what do you want to name this channel? This is your own name, and this is your handle. So if you still want it to be your name, you can just use any name here. So for this case, I still want to use Z workers, and the handle is Z workers. So if the handle has been used, you will see it will show that it has not been used. Okay, so for this case, is available. The handle is available. So the next thing to do is to click on create channel. So guys, when you click on continue, it will direct you to this page. Okay, as you can see, it is a brand new channel. Now the next thing to do is to click on settings, because this is where we are going to do most of the job, okay, to customize our Faceless YouTube channel. And don't forget that this YouTube studio is a place whereby you can upload your content, and you can also do your settings, any settings on your YouTube channel. Okay, it's just like the engine room of your channel. So when you click on settings, you will see different options here. The first one is US, that's your currency, default currency. Just leave this one. Then you click on channel, you see country of residence. Okay, if you are from Nigeria, you can just select Nigeria. And if you want your viewers to be coming, that your audience or your subscriber to be coming from the US or UK, this is where you will select it. Okay, so keywords, what is keywords? Keywords is just what people will be searching frequently on YouTube or Google, that will direct them to your channel. Okay, so depending on your niche, if you are talking about relationship, just go to ChatGPT. So you can go to ChatGPT, that ChatGPT will give you keywords for relationship niche channel on YouTube. Okay, so ChatGPT will generate them for you. Then you can just copy it and paste it here. So another way to generate keywords is to go to this website, Rapid Tags. Okay, Rapid Tags. You can just type relationship and it will bring different keywords. So you can just copy it and go back to your channel and paste it in these keywords. okay, and paste it there. So I'm not going to save this because this channel is not meant for relationship or faceless account. Now you go to advanced settings and you click there. You will see these ones. You need to set them. Here is no, because your videos are not for kids. Okay. So here is where you will link your Google account. That's your Gmail account. Here you can just leave this one. You can leave all these ones. You can leave all these ones. So when you click on fixture eligibility, you see we have intermediary fixtures. Here you will need to verify your phone number to be eligible. You can see this one enable. To enable it, you need to verify your phone number. Then this one, you will need to verify it as well. You need to verify it with any valid ID card. Okay. So when you are done with this one, you just upload it. They will notify you when your account has been verified. So when you are done, you click on save. Okay. Now upload defaults. This one should be leave this one like this, leave description like this. Visibility should be in public. It should be in public. Then tags. These tags you can also leave it. So each time you want to upload video, you will be doing this one, this and this. Okay, so when you are done, you click on save. Now let's go to permissions. This one should be, you leave this one like this. Community moderation, leave this ones as well. Agreement, leave this one. So when you are done, you click on save. I'm not going to save this because this channel is not meant for faceless or any that niche. That is not our relationship niche. Okay, so when you are done with that, you will need to go to customization. So when you click on customization, you will see banner image. This is where you upload your banner. This is where you upload your logo. This is your handle name. This is your handle username. So description. So you can also go back to ChatGPT, that ChatGPT to help you with your channel description. So you can say I want to open a faceless YouTube account on relationship. Kindly help me with channel description. Okay, and this is what ChatGPT generates. So you can just copy these ones. You can just copy it and paste it in your description. So you don't just paste it. Make sure you do some editing. Make sure you do some editings. Okay. So when you are done, you scroll up. This is where you link your Facebook, TikTok, X, or any other account. This is where you can link it up. Here you put in your Gmail address. Okay. So here you can put a watermark. If you want to put a watermark or you have a logo, this is where you can put it on your video. Okay. So when you click on Home tab, this one will be eligible when you publish your first video. All this one will be eligible. The reason why nothing is there is because there is no any video on this channel at the moment. Okay, so that is how to set up your faceless YouTube account. This is the setup. I just walk you through the setup. If you want to design a banner for your faceless YouTube, you can just go to Canva. Okay, canva.com. The link will be available in the description of this video. So you just when it's load, after loading, make sure you just click on this search button and type YouTube thumbnail. So you will see different samples here that you can use, and most of them are free. Okay, so you just click on any of it and edit. That is just what you want to do. So for me, I already have this template and I want to edit it. Okay, so in my channel, I want to make some changes. Okay, now here I want to remove this academy. So this is what I want to use. So when you are done with your design, you can now click here to save. Click on share and you will see download. So you just click on download. Of course, you can put it in PNG or JPG. Okay, then you click on download. So it will be downloaded to your gallery, as you can see it right there. So when you are done, you can go back to your channel. And the next thing to do is to click on change or upload. Okay, so you will now locate where the image is in your gallery and select it. So this is the image here. You click on open. So right now you can see this line. This is where it will be visible on all devices. That is mobile device. Okay, this full one is TV, visible on TV, and this one there. So far it is inside this line, then you are okay. So you just click on done. All right. So for this picture, that is your logo. You can use ChatGPT to create a logo for your Faceless YouTube, and you can see this is my name. This is my own personal YouTube account. Okay, so you can see the links I added to all this one. So also make sure you do your own as well. If you need to do, if it's not necessary, and it's not compulsory. It's not compulsory. Okay, and it's not necessary, but if you want people to contact you, you can just do that. So this place you can upload your same logo or subscription button. Then you make sure you click on entire video. Then you change when you are done with everything, then you click on publish. So your video will be published online. That is your banner and your logo and everything will be updated. Okay. So guys, if you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. I will make sure I take my time to reply to all the questions.
Alright, I hope you have learned something valuable today. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to upload your first video on your channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love to hear from you. Kindly use the comment section if you have any question. See you in the next one. Bye for now.